Okay, so today we're going to be cleaning a Mac Mini. This has been previously featured in one of my videos. After the upgrade, um, I noticed that obviously it was kind of dirty. Hopefully you can kind of see. Ooh, that was bright. Yeah, so it was very dirty, front and back, on the bottom. There were some stickers in the front, um, minor scuffs. So obviously was a lot of dirt on the bottom, where it was used. Trying to, make it as clean as possible. Hopefully, once this is done. So what you need is, make sure it's clean on the surface. I have some alcohol wipes. Just clean up the surface as much as you can. And What I'm going to do in this video is going to be a little bit different. I'll go through the entire process first, and then probably just have some background music until it's done. So obviously clean the sides, just trying to get the dirt off of the surface as much as you can. Stickers off, obviously. The alcohol wipes are actually pretty good at cleaning a lot of this debris and dirt and oily stuff off of the machine. The bottom rubber part of the Mac Mini is actually fairly easy to clean. I was surprised how fast I was able to get it to make it look like it's fairly new, fairly clean. So again, alcohol wipes, get rid of the dirt, get rid of the oily stuff, and then what I end up doing is I use Ghoul Beacon, whatever it's actually kind of the oily, um, like adhesive cleaner, I guess. So once it's cleaned, I had it at the bottom clean, and I also have the top cleaned. Because it's oil based, it fills in like the scratches and stuff pretty well. And then once that's done, I'll make sure that it's cleaned one more time. Make sure all the oils are gone. And then I had a car polish that I was using to kind of wipe around the surface, to one, fill in the cracks, scratches a little bit, and two is to hopefully add a little bit of shine to the plastic surface. So that actually made it look pretty nice at the end. So there were some of these rubber feet that were added. I'm assuming for adding airflow. So yeah, anyways, just do the cleaning, and you will see at the very end that it came out actually pretty cool.